Good morning. So I wanted to give everybody a tip on accessing the charging settings. What you can do is you could basically set up your charging if you don't want to do it automatic. You can set it to kick off at a particular time. So when you plug in your car, what will happen is the car will not charge if you have it on a particular charging schedule. So for whatever reason, myself, actually, I wouldn't want to do that. I like to plug it in whenever it's convenient, and sometimes, usually the charging schedule they default to is like 9 in the morning to 2 in the afternoon, which really doesn't work for me because I'm usually doing it in the evenings overnight. So anyway, if you want to set it or check it out, all you have to do is you hold this button, and what will happen is on the display, let's see if we can get it up there, is on your display, you're going to see a bunch of options there. So what you're going to do is you're going to toggle over. I don't know if I could show both. Basically what you're going to do is you're going to toggle over with your finger here, and you're going to toggle over to what is basically the settings. All right, let me see if I can get that. And then, okay, so once it's highlighted, you're going to hold the OK button for like a couple seconds, and there you go. So now you're in charging settings. You're going to pick that, and you can pick a charging schedule. Or if you want to schedule, you could do charge now. You could do schedule events and set up your time. You could also do this in the Toyota app if you want. It's up to you. You can actually set a particular charging time. You could start, stop, however you want to do it. But anyway, that's how you get to it. And of course, if you don't want to, you just basically hit return. And what I'm talking about in the return, you basically navigate through the menu just hitting this button. And then basically you can go, just keep hitting return, and you'll come back out to the main menu, and you're all set. And that's it.